Good evening, everyone. Today I am very thankful that the organizers have called me as a chief guest for this event. I know what is the importance of this graduation because I got graduated from SB Patil Dental College, Gulbarga University in BDS. So this would be the most happiest moment for any graduate today because it's a golden moment. Way long back, myself and Dr. Sunil, we did graduation from SB Patil Dental College. I personally couldn't attend this graduation ceremony. Today, I feel very privileged and honored and extremely happy to wear this gown. I am recollecting that today I have become a graduate after 25 years of my graduation. And I am extremely happy to share the dais with Dr. Ramesh Reddy Garu, Dr. Sanjay Garu, Dr. B. Sunil Garu, Dr. Vishwanath, Dr. Satyanarayan Garu, Dr. Naveen, Dr. Srihari Garu, Dr. Anil, Dr. Sunita Reddy Garu, Dr. Lakshmi Narayan Garu, and Dr. Mahesh Babu Garu. Today, this graduation ceremony will be the most happiest moment throughout your lifetime to cherish. And at the same time, I would like to tell you that our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu, after this Praja Palana has come into the power from December 9, 2023, he is empowering the graduates and the skilled professionals in the government and in the private sectors also. In this regard, he is conducting the Global Summit Meet, which will be the best in the India, and the history will always remember our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu. And I request all you graduates to please visit the future city where this global summit is happening, because there is a participation of more than 100 countries in this global summit, and lot of employment, infrastructure and development MOUs will be signed in this global summit. So our Chief Minister, being young and energetic, he is trying to empower the youth for the future generations. They should get the jobs in the government sector, in the private sector and the GCCs. So I kindly request all you graduates to kindly visit Future City on December 10th, 11th and 12th. After the global summit, it will be open for the Hyderabad citizens and the global citizens to visit, and you can go to the stalls, you can talk to them, you can get the knowledge what is happening in the entire world. And at the same time, I am very delighted to be among you in this occasion, and I especially thank the organizers calling me for this event. I am extremely privileged. Thanks one and all. Thank you so much.